A microscope is an instrument used to see objects that are too small for the naked eye. One of the most important properties of microscopes is their resolving power. In electron microscopes, an electron gun emits an electron beam, which focuses on the subject by electromagnetic lenses. Scanning electron microscopes create 3D images of the surface of the samples. The electron beam scans the surface of the sample via the deflection coil. The electrons reaching the surface may be reflected or may cause the emission of secondary electrons. The quantity of these in one direction depends on the angle of the electron beam and the surface. The detector measures the quantity of reflected and secondary electrons. The image is created from these data by a computer. In transmission electron microscopes, the beam passes through the thin sample and creates an image using electromagnetic lenses. The sample is stained by heavy metal salts. Different parts of the sample bind the heavy metal ions to different extents. Heavy metal ions scatter electron beams and thus cause dark areas on the image.